Good morning folks, Will here from Power Implements, and today I want to talk to you about a project that our senior certified Mercury technician Jeff has been working on. As you can see here to my left, we've got a Mercury Verado outboard motor for our U.S. Marshal Service. Now, this particular engine showed up to us hurt and damaged, and Mercury was good enough to supply us with a dressed remanufactured powerhead to get this vessel back on the water. For those of you that aren't familiar with the terminology, a dress powerhead saves our technicians a lot of time and brings a lot of features and benefits to the end consumer. So what a dress powerhead actually consists of is the actual mechanical long block assembly, as well as all of your fuel injectors, fuel rail, serpentine belt, alternator, flywheel, thermostat, spark plugs, and ignition coils. So on top of the standard Mercury 1-year warranty for the mechanical assembly, this consumer will actually get warranty on all of the bolt-on parts that help make the engine a complete running product. Another really exciting feature that we have on the installation for the U.S. Marshal Service on this particular vessel is a new product that Mercury released this last year called the Smartcraft Connect. And what this system allows is the displaying of vessel view style gauges and instrumentation on other branded multifunction displays. In this particular vessel, we've got the Remanufactured Axiom Plus multifunction displays, and this will really give a lot of engine data to the U.S. Marshals that are operating this vessel in the most inhospitable of conditions.